Hello everyone, if you're new here, my name is Aoi and welcome to my journaling journey. I want to start off with a question for the day and ask, how much washi tape do you have? Or what kinds of washi tape is your favorite? To answer that question on my end, this is one of my favorite washi tapes. It is a transparent washi tape. I believe this is from the Hitotoki series from King Jim, if I remember correctly. It is currently one of my favorites. In this video, I'm going to talk about how I am using my washi tape. Maybe there are some here that can be obvious, maybe some that isn't exactly that obvious, or maybe you haven't thought of it. I'm just going to show you the different ways of how I use my washi tape, and I believe I've been using my washi tapes a whole lot, and I've actually finished some rolls. Actually, a good number of rolls. Anyway, let's get started. So number one is your typical washi tape decoration. So you can put them on here. I think this is one of the most common ways to use washi tape. I typically put a lot on here on the sides and then kind of just put these stickers. If you've watched my other journal or Hobonichi videos, you're gonna see the decorations of my daily pages using mostly washi tape and some stickers. This is also an example of how you can decorate your journal using your washi tapes, just put them on the side. Next, you can also use the washi tape as bookmarks for your journal. I used my washi tapes here to bookmark each start of the month. There you go. Third way to use your washi tape would be as a filler for your calendar. And this is an example of how I would fill in some of the blank spaces on my calendar. This one is grayed out because this is April 29 and then April 30. And since both of these are grayed out and I'm not planning to use them, I just put this washi tape over here and here as well. So a lot of my pages are kind of like that. You can see here as well. So all of these are grayed out since they are part of January and not the February calendar. This is how it's grayed out over here. But I ran out of this washi tape, so you don't see any here anymore. So the filler is, I also use it as a filler here. You just put the washi tape on the days that you'd like to have some kind of decoration, but you don't really have anything on there. It's just like a normal day and you don't really have anything. So I use it as a filler. This is an example as well, all of these. It really depends on how much you want to use. It kind of looks a little bit busy if it's too much, but here I used it as a filler because I have nothing on there, and sometimes I kind of don't like it having, I like having some space, but I also don't like it to have too much space and just really empty like this. Well, I'm still gonna be working on this one, but yeah. This is another way you can use it. You can use the washi tapes for your weekly spreads, just as a border here. This is another one over here, another washi tape. You can also use it here to kind of just fill in some spaces. A lot of this, I guess, is kind of fillers for your journal if there are spaces that you kind of want to just put something on there, but you don't really know what it is. You don't have anything to write on there, so you just kind of fill it in with these. I hope so far that has been helpful. You can see here the spaces I put in. I just filled it out with washi tape. over here as well, kind of just like here at the top. This is my favorite washi tape that I showed you earlier. This is also using it as a filler over there. I also like using my washi tape sometimes with objects such as my TWSBI pen. I like using it on my fountain pens as well. Not everything, but some of them. I also have it on my Pilot Kakuno, but I decided to kind of just like put my favorite washi tape on here, so it's kind of like a decoration, and I think it matches the color of this pen as well, so I thought it would be nice to kind of decorate it. Yeah, on my Pilot Kakuno, I have it inside the pen, not on the outside, as compared to this one. I have it on the inside of the pen. Yeah, see, it's on the inside. I put it on there. So I think that's about it. I know these are like small ideas, but I hope it was helpful for you. And yeah, if you have other ways that you're using your washi tape, let us know in the comments below. Thank you for watching.